This is a nice function. It's not very straightforward yet not very difficult. So to start with, let's draw this quadrilateral and go angle hunting. So we are given PQ, this is QR, PQRS or PQRS with this side is 1, then PQS is 15 degrees. So this angle is 15 degree. Then PRS is 40 degrees. Angle is 40 degree. That makes this angle 30 degree. This angle 55 degree. And QR is 1. PS is beta. This is alpha. So this is 55, 30. This is 95 degrees. This is 85 degrees. This angle is theta. Makes this angle 80 degree. So first, using this triangle, we have beta upon sine 40 degree. I am applying sine law, equals to RS upon sine theta. Then by this triangle, this triangle, we have QR, that is 1 upon sine, this angle is also 55 degrees, equals to RS upon sine 55 degree. So RS is also 1. This is an isosceles triangle. So RS is 1. So that gives us beta sine theta equals to sine 40 degrees. Next, we will apply sine law on this triangle to get the value of alpha. We get alpha upon sine 30 degrees equals to RQ, which is 1 upon angle opposite to that is sine 80 degrees. So that makes alpha equals to 1 upon 2 sine 80 degrees. So we have beta times sine theta, we have alpha. We need the product 4 alpha beta sine theta, which is 4 alpha is 1 by 2 sine into beta sine theta is sine 40 degrees. So this becomes 1 upon cos 40 degrees. So cos 40 degrees from 1 by root 2 to 1, which means that 1 upon cos 40 degrees from 1 to root 2. So answer is A and B.